Hi everyone, if you have been looking for that perfect smoky jollof rice recipe, then you should watch this video to the end. In your clean pot, pour in some oil, add some onions, some minced garlic and ginger. Fry this for about a minute. Next, add some curry and thyme. Yes, this helps to build the flavor for your jollof rice. Don't let it fry too much though, so it doesn't burn. Give it about 20 seconds. Then next you add your tomato paste and you fry this for about 10 minutes. Next, introduce your pepper mix. Please note that the pepper mix was previously boiled till it gets very thick. Mix this properly, then go in with your seasonings. Use some salt, some bouillon cubes, bay leaf and paprika. Stir properly and leave to fry for about 20 minutes. Next, add your washed rice. Let it also fry for about 5 minutes. This step helps to build the smoky flavor. Next, you add in the broth. Add little water, not too much so your jollof rice won't be soggy. Then cover the pot tightly with a foil paper. This traps in the heat inside of the pot. Let the jollof rice cook for about 30 minutes on low heat, and when the rice is almost done, add some butter. This also gives the jollof rice a little bit of moisture so it doesn't get so dry. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 5 minutes more on high heat. The jollof needs to burn to achieve a smoky flavor. Once this is done, turn off the heat and the smoky jollof rice is ready. Here you have it. It's very delicious and you should try it out. Thank you. Bye.